Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order something completely free from Temu. The way you go about this, you need to first download the Temu app and you need to register a new account. Very important, so I'll come here, click on register or sign in with another account. You can use any of these options right here. I'll go ahead and continue with Google and create an account. Once you have chosen your Google account, you can go ahead and add a phone number if you want. And what will actually happen now is once you have your account created, when you go ahead and sign up through a referral link or by entering a coupon code, you may be offered things like a free welcome gift or a large discount bundle. For example, $100 value package. As you can see right here, I have this $100 value package. I do have these free gifts as well. You can go ahead and claim them. You just come here, click on you. This is your profile. Click here on play and earn, and you'll see them right here. Just select the items you want and make sure you add them to your cart before you check out. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.